Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. So hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at US oil on the 30-minute. Let's just go out to the daily and I'll show you what I've got marked up on the chart. To me, the path of least resistance is to the downside. Alright, so we've got this diagonal resistance running through here. Multiple touches, it's respecting this level. Coming back up into it at the moment, and we also have this level here. So I'm looking at this candle, this green candle prior to this sell-off, just marking the high and the low of this green candle as a distribution level. So we'll just call that our break to the downside here. So this is where we broke structure, down, pull back into resistance. So we've got this nested level. We've got the daily, and then if we go down to a 4-hour, okay, I've just pulled up this green candle prior to this sell-off here, pulled back into it, and now we're starting to see this move south. Just be a little bit careful. We're mid-Asia session at the moment. We've got the London Open kicking off around my 1700. I'll have to adjust that on the lower time frame. So I'll be interested to see how this trades as we approach London. So let's just go to a 30. For me, what makes sense to me would be a short. Let's just do this. We've got this diagonal running through here, multiple touches, respecting the level. We've got this daily distribution here, so we've got the low of this acting as resistance, and we've got the 4-hour distribution level here, the low of that acting as resistance. So what I'm seeing here is, well, we've got this range. Let's just pull that up. I'll be interested in, say, grabbing that through here. Let's grab candle bodies, right? So let's just have a look at this range. So what we have here is a build-up of liquidity above and below this range. If smart money's looking to short this, they're going to need buy-side liquidity. So we have here at the moment, this could be like a bit of a fake out. It entices short traders in, and look what happens. We gap up. So this is Friday, Monday. We gap up, attacking buy-side liquidity up in here, right? So this establishes short traders. They have stops resting above. But we also have, you want to look at this from a liquidity standpoint. We have a look at this liquidity pool, this whole range through here, and these shorts. There's a huge build-up of buy-side liquidity resting above this range. Now, I'm not convinced that this pullback is, well, I mean, it could, right? Now, let me just grab that. Don't need that. Approaching the London Open, I'd want to see this attack buy-side liquidity up in here, and we've got this resistance level. Something like that would interest me. The range, we've had a fake out, a bit of a shakeout up here, would make sense as we approach the London Open. Look, if we don't get it, this could just roll over and trade south. I wouldn't be interested in getting involved. I want to see it pull back up into here. And then what I want to see after that is if it trades into London, let's say it pushes up into London and it rotates, and then you want to see, you know, lower highs, lower lows. You want to see the trend starting to kind of take shape. So that is what would get me interested. Stop, well, if that's the case, if it does set up and we see it start to trade off, let me have a look. Let's grab my, oh yeah, here we are, short tool. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, join my Discord group. The link is below. You know, I'd be looking above wherever this, let's have a look. I'd go above this orange level here. If this pulls back and this is the high, then go above the high. But this would only be once we start to see lower highs and lower lows forming here on a lower time frame. 15-minute, 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, something like that. Okay, I want to see the push up and I want to see this trend starting to form here. And then that's my stop above wherever this high is. Okay, keep your risk management tight. And then, of course, I'm going to go for broke here. All right, I'd be looking to take profit. If that's an entry, okay, hypothetically speaking, just wherever it sets up, if it sets up, right, I'd be looking for TP1 pretty early. I like to take 2/3 of my position off around this 0.8 level here, 0.8, it's slightly less than 1 to 1, and I'll take 2/3 off if it gives me the opportunity. And then 30% left running, just let it go, see how far we go with it. So that's my take on oil at the moment. Okay guys, with that, I hope you have a great day, and make sure you join Discord, the link is below. Watch my videos on YouTube. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.